Hello and welcome to Future Vision with Tariq. Today is Sunday, August 23rd, 2026. I'm Tariq, your host. In every episode, we explore the areas, technologies, and people shaping our future. Today, we're discussing something almost everyone wants, but few people consistently practice how to build self-discipline and stay focused with AI. We live in a world full of distraction. Our phones, social media, and constant notification compete for our attention. At the same time, AI is becoming a powerful tool that can help us work smarter, build better habits, and stay focused. But AI can support our discipline. It cannot replace it. So today we'll explore how to use AI not as a distraction but as a tool that help us build focus, consistency, and better daily habits. Welcome to Future Vision with Tariq. So the big question is how we use AI to become more disciplined and focused instead of becoming even more distracted. To help us explore this topic, I'm joined by the AI expert. Welcome.
Thanks for having me, Tariq. Great to be here. You're hitting on something real. Most people treat AI like a fancy search engine or a way to skip the work, but using it to actually build the muscle of discipline, that's the real game changer. I'm ready to dive in.
Well, let's start with the basic. What exactly is self-discipline?
At its core, self-discipline is just the ability to choose what you want most over what you want right now. It's that internal tug of war where you decide to hit the gym or finish a project, even when your brain is screaming for a nap or scroll through social media. Basically, it's the bridge between setting a goal and actually crossing the finish line.
Okay, why do so many people struggle with focus today?
Uh, it's basically a war for our attention, and we're fighting it with 19th century brains. You've got these apps and platforms designed by thousands of engineers specifically to trigger dopamine hits every few seconds. Your brain is wired to notice the new, shiny, and the urgent. When you're trying to focus on one deep task, but your phone is buzzing with a notification, the right now reward of that buzz almost always wins over the later reward of finishing your work. It's not even a fair fight. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, how can
It's a
AI,
struggle.
yeah, I get the point. How can AI actually help someone become more disciplined?
Think of AI as a high-level coach that never sleeps. Instead of just doing the work for you, it can handle the mental overhead and usually drains our willpower. Like instead of spending an hour stressing over how to start a project, which is where most of us get distracted, AI can help you break it down into tiny, manageable steps. Turns a mountain into a staircase, so you don't feel the need to escape into your phone just to avoid the overwhelm.
That's interesting. Can AI also help during the actual work session?
Definitely, it can act like a digital guardrail. You can use it to set strict parameters for your session, like having it prompt you to stay on task or help you pivot back when you realize you've gone down a rabbit hole. Some people even use it to simulate a body doubling partner. Just having that interactive presence, keeping you accountable in real time can make a huge difference. It's about using the tech to create a focused environment rather than letting the tech be the thing that breaks it.
Let's talk about the enemy of discipline, procrastination. Procrastination.
Ah, the ultimate boss battle. Procrastination isn't even about being lazy usually. It's more like an emotional shield. We avoid the task because the thought of it makes us feel stressed or bored. So we protect ourselves by doing literally anything else. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Why do we procrastination, procrastinate, procrastinate, and how can AI help?
Like I said, it's usually an emotional response. We're not avoiding the work. We're avoiding the feeling the work gives us, like fear of failing or just feeling totally overwhelmed. AI helps by stripping away that emotional weight. It can act as a neutral third party that says, look, the first step is just writing one sentence. By lowering the barrier to entry, it tricks your brain into starting. And once you've actually started, the fear usually vanishes. It basically helps you bypass that freeze response.
There is an important concern here. Could people become more too dependent on AI?
That's the $1 million question. There's a huge difference between using a tool to build a skill and using it as a crutch. If you let AI do all the thinking and organizing, your own discipline muscle just atrophies. It's like using a GPS for every single turn. Eventually, you lose the ability to actually read a map or understand where you are. The goal is to use AI to get you into the flow, but you still have to be the one doing the heavy lifting.
For someone watching this and thinking, I need more discipline, what simple system would you recommend?
Keep it dead simple. Start with the 2-minute rule combined with an AI brainstorm. Tell your AI, I'm avoiding this task. Give me a version of the first step that takes exactly 2 minutes. Once the AI strips away the intimidation factor and you actually start, the hardest part is over. Then set a timer and commit to just 20 minutes of deep work. It's all about winning those first few minutes to build momentum. You want a more detailed breakdown of how to set that up?
If you could give our audience one message about discipline and focus, what would it be?
I tell them that discipline isn't some magic gift you're born with. It's just a habit you build. Stop waiting for the perfect moment of motivation because that rarely shows up when you actually need it. Just start small. Be kind to yourself when you slip up, and remember that consistency beats intensity every single time. The win is in just showing up today.
That's a powerful message. Discipline is not about doing everything, it's about doing the right thing constantly, and AI can become a powerful partner in the process, helping us plan better, focus better, and learn from our mistakes. But the final responsibility remains with us. Thank you for joining us, and to everyone watching, remember, your attention is one of your most valuable resources. Protect it, direct it, and use it to build the future you want. See you in the next episode.
Thanks for having me, Tariq. It's a great session. You've
Thank
got
you.
a real knack for guiding those conversations. Let me know when you're ready for the next one.
Thank you.
Anytime. I'm around whenever you want to bounce more ideas around.
100%, I will do it.
Love the energy.